My computer science degree, completely online, full-time, at home. It's been 2 years. I can't believe I leave tomorrow. Like, it doesn't make any sense. I'm better. I'm ready. Let's do this. This isn't funny. Today's Monday. I leave on Wednesday. I haven't started packing. Like, this is not real. I need you to stay. I let my dance if it was the last. I mean, but if you thought this was like a super organized video, like how to be that girl, how to be, you know, this is what to do, this is not what to do. This is not that video. I cannot help you. I'm sorry. I can barely help myself. It's time to continue packing. Y'all don't want to see my room. I don't even want to see my room. The only thing that's pushing me through this, actually nothing is pushing me through this, because it's kind of like I have to do it. I don't have much of a choice. I've already done 2 years of my degree. I want to complete my 3rd year. The first 2 years ended up being online because of COVID, the COVID pandemic situation. And now for the final year, we're going on campus. And I'm not feeling it really. I'm not feeling it. But we have to do it. So, I mean, I'm already there. I've made it this far. All I have to do is show my face. I didn't have any coffee yesterday. Big up me, big up me. Snaps the girl. Thank you. But I'm gonna have coffee today. Like, please. Oh my gosh, I forgot to have to wash my clothes. Okay, I have some clothes over there, and you will look at what's in my suitcase and swear my major is art or something. Like, this is not for real. I realized I probably need to carry my old notebooks, so it's like a ton of stuff, and then new notebooks, and then my journals, and a book I'm currently reading. No, it's time we make some actual progress, because this is actually ridiculous. But I completely forgot that I needed to put this clothes in the washing machine. It's a lot of stuff that we gotta do. Yeah, I'm packing clothes last. All right, I'm back from putting the clothes in the machine. I got all my school supplies packed. They don't weigh your personal luggage. Putting books in the suitcase is like the safest bet. I was looking at all my stuff and I was like, girl, they're gonna think you're crazy, because all my stuff is like pink. Yeah, nice. All my other stuff is in this little folder that I've had literally since 2019, because I thought I was starting school in 2020, but I got some use out of it during online school. Also, I've had this since 2019 too. I'm gonna need detergent. I had this to make slime, actually. I bought it at the dollar store when I was in Florida. To carry all of this is just like excessive. Only like the primary colors or main colors. I could always mix these colors from the colors that I have. So that is for school supplies. I did these stuff, which is devices. These devices will go into my personal luggage, so I could take them off the morning of, like when I'm actually leaving. I'm already sweating from that little explanation. Let's get to actual packing. This is such a... Okay, no. Remain calm. I'm gonna carry this bag. Oh, let me show y'all something cool about this bag. I got it from my auntie. It's a regular book bag, right? Real cute, real nice, real regular, right? Wait, it's not over yet. 1 second. It is more than your average bag.
Yeah, Tabia.
Yeah. It doesn't have much room in there, but if I want to go out the house with just my phone, but then guess what? I gotta make a grocery store run, right?
Wow.
Flip out my bag and put the groceries in the bag. So I leave home empty-handed, come back home prepared. My blue light glasses are in... Okay, let's move on. Why am I sweating like this? What the heck? All my hygiene products, makeup, and nail supplies. I'm only taking out the essentials. I'm just gonna put everything that I'm carrying onto my bed, and then I pack them from my bed into like different storage compartments, and then put those storage stuff into the suitcase. I have this back, the massager thing. Whoa. Hair products, I feel like might need a bigger bag. I'm not too sure. Let's see what I have for hair products. All my brushes, my hair ties together, all my combs together. We need everyone to the front. Yes, ma'am. Yes, you as well. I think that's it. Wait, another headband is hair. So I have all my headbands, my hair ties. Okay, so hair ties, and I think it's a waste of space. Feels like this entire pouch just for hair ties and breeze. I'm gonna put the hair ties and stuff in this bag. I got this from Heathrow Airport, you know, to be given them to put your liquids in. See, this is way more compact. Nice! All my hair stuff in one bag. Great. It's really hot, so I'm just gonna cut this part and I'll get back to you guys when I make some more progress. I'd got most of my stuff organized. It's not packed, as you can tell. Like, I just put them in the suitcase. This suitcase might be 50 pounds already, and then I have to put my clothes in the other suitcase, but this is like my suitcase of things. But here it goes. Bags. All of my bags are in here. All my tote bags folded up in this one bag. Then I have my shoes, sneakers, dress flats for formal attire for like presentations, and then one sandals. Then all my cables and hair, we know, school supplies, paint, we know. This speaker honestly is so heavy, I might leave it. Makeup bag, all my nail supplies. I finally got rid of the Macat box. Finally got rid of that box, put all the supplies in this cute little pouch. Oh, this is makeup brushes, this is makeup. Oh no, not it. No, Sheena, let me down. Okay, anyways, and then this one is body products, all my skincare, and then hair. I have some more unopened body products. Sydney got me this, and then my aunt got me some of these stuff, lotions and stuff. As for the list, right, I have a list of stuff that I have to buy when I actually get into Trinidad, like a new bed set. But as for the stuff I was supposed to pack, I think I did like everything. Oh, now I just have to clean my room. Clothes, I still haven't packed any clothes. I cannot find my blue light glasses. Kalia is this girl right there. I'm taking her and the chocolate chip cookie because, like,
why not? Why? Why not?
You know, yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot. It's a lot. It's really a lot. So I wish I could carry my candle with me, but there's like no candles allowed. Don't bring your candles. It's all in the hallway. I can't believe I leave tomorrow. Like, it doesn't make any sense. Most of my things are packed. The only things I don't have packed are my clothes. I know it's like so important, but I have my clothes packed. Oh, and my toothpaste and toothbrush, because I have to use those in the morning and tonight, you know. I mean, if you've been here a minute, you know Bella, Hazel, and Noche. Obviously, I can't take them with me, so I had to put them outside so they can get some actual like sunlight and probably rain.
Oh my god.
Like, it's no way that these aren't overweight. One is 58 pounds and the other one is 60 pounds. Room empty once again. I haven't seen my room this empty since like April before I went to Europe, but then after I came back and I had messed up like all over, I didn't really pack it back and do like a full clean. So this is the emptiest I've seen my room in a long time, and I'm saying goodbye to it.
Next time leaves the zip file mixtape of the next Pac kid.